People respond a lot more to it than if I were just sitting here with a pen and pencil, and I would never consider doing this with just a computer and a printer. There's no romance in that. I'm writing love letters, insult letters, poetry, short stories on the spot. Name your own price. You get it written for you while you watch the show. I love writing letters from pets. It's the most satisfying thing to do. Okay, this is a letter from 2 black cats that have gone to the other side. Dear Rick, it is our season, the season of the witch, the season of the black cat. Black cats. 1, 2, litter mates, life mates. Whenever one came around to sniff and prowl, the other was not too far behind. In the course of an evening, usually a woman does cry.
Thank you so much. It's a raffle.
Then if it doesn't happen, then I feel like I haven't completed my duties for the day.
I could actually imagine these cats saying, "We missed you," and so that touched me a great deal.
I'm a temporary therapist in people's lives.